Hello everyone, this is another video. I'm sorry, my video has not come. I'm very sorry. Wait, I will try to fix this. Yes. Something. Come on, come. Okay. Good, it is here. Yes. Now, um, I've already done this much in this with CSS. I've done CSS videos also, but as I'm allowed to upload videos after I think they are done, I am just going to improve this. Well, my friend Bunch is also here. I'm also going to teach him because like he doesn't know. So wait 1 second, Bunch. What did you say, Bunch? Bunch? Never mind. Okay, good. Now, so I'm also sharing my screen so I can see everything. He can see everything. I mean, so yeah, this is still here. I just do not like this. Release notes. Anyways, I don't want this. I have all the stuff here. I've only got this. I'm just gonna open this one. I forgot most of the crucial things like the IFrame tag. So one thing I would not want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'll just put it up here because there's a lot of mess. Let's make another div for no reason, but
what is this?
Oh, it's a div tag. It's a div tag for divisions. So it's going. So you can read this if you want. The div element has no special
Just wait
meaning.
for a minute. Let me open my Visual Studio Code.
Okay, you can also open it and then you just have to create a new file called something.html.
How to create a new file in Visual Studio now?
For that you have to click on file and then you have to click on open folder and then you have to open a folder and this is my folder for this project. Inside it you will see all these but there will be this thing option called new file. There will be these also but this is new file. Click on new file, it will make one. And also make sure the end you put a .html and then you click outside and it's going to make and then you click on it and then it's going to come here. So like wait, I'm just making this div. All you can see is that it has no special meaning at all. It represents its children, which is the tags inside it. These are called tags. Okay, but now iframe, there's an iframe tag. So this iframe. Now whatever happens inside an iframe is it's like a mini document. It's like a mini document. So I want to put my YouTube video in. So I'm going to put a src tag and I'm going to put in the link. So my link, this is a special link for YouTube. One thing, please. Yes. You have to go to youtube.com, youtube.com/embed and then slash. So like this is my first video. It's like a landmark for me, so I can't remember it well. But what that little code was, the little this random letters. What that was for was this.
Open folder.
Uh, so what that did. Okay. I don't know why it's not coming. Or I didn't save it. And what I want to show you is when you go to YouTube.
See, I opened a folder. Now what to do?
You have to go to.
Should I click on? I have to go to new file.
You click on file. Wait, I'm just showing my friend one.
Yes, I got a new file.
Yeah, you click on file, not new file. You click on new open folder. You click on file on the top, and then you will see all these options. Click on open folder, and then you have to open your folder, and then after
I
that.
opened the folder. I opened the folder.
Okay, so now you can see no folders, no files inside it. To create a file, you click on this new file button. So it's closed.
I created on the link page on the welcome window, and I got a new one.
Okay, never mind. First, so what you do when you go to watch a video, you go to this link initially, and then there's this query tag, which starts with a question mark. I'll just explain it now. It's kind of like it's data sent to the server. I call it data. Then data. So then you come here and then there's a B thing as for video, and then equal to, and then you just there's going to be a code. So this one, and I go here and this is my video. Sorry, it's taking a lot of time to load. Also, once have you got it? Have you created a new HTML file or something else? Excuse me. So like I've
Yes, I
already.
created a HTML file.
Okay, good.
Coding. I opened the folder and I got a file.
Okay. One thing, this thing. So like I've already watched it here.
So
First
first we're gonna type in the head
tag.
tag.
Ooh, is a bit
That.
there. Okay.
And
So
now
stop. Okay. So like you click on a video, any video. So like okay. So you will see this little thing. This code. You have to actually copy it. I remember it, so I don't really need to. Then you have to go to www. I mean, sorry. You have to go
what
to
to copy?
not now.
What to transfer?
You don't need to do anything. I'm just telling this to my viewers. So you go to www.youtube.com/embed/ and then the thing which you just copied, and then you go there. It will not give you all this inserts and that. It will just give you this. And with this, so I can just come. Excuse me. To here. Excuse me. So like this is the thing. I got this. And now if I save it and I come back to this one. Okay. So I've come back here. So hope you can see. As you can see. And now if I reload the page, it will give me this thing. So oh yeah. So it will give me this one. So we just click here and okay. So this is like an embed. I don't know why I can't.
So first we're gonna type in the head tag.
Oh, this is
That.
stop it, please. Sorry, my recorder is bad. So now one thing. So like that. And now also there will be these other things called allow full screen. You can also get this by going to that video. So like you can just go to any video and click on share, and then the first option that you will get will be the embed, and then you will get all of this and all that. I'm just going to like I'm going to um yep, see I can actually
This
full
is the
screen.
intelligence.
I can
Give
actually
it
full
that.
screen. So like I can full screen, and now I got this. And you see like it gives me this for subscriber
So
right.
first we're gonna type in the head tag.
And me and
That.
this. So everything, and also this YouTube text. So say when you hover over it will say watch on YouTube.com, so you can actually watch. Yeah, yeah. So like that, easy. Okay, so let me see. What are the other resources? No. Not you. I mean you. Sorry. So let me see. Alright, sorry about that. Is this now? Let me see. What else can we actually do? There are many more things you can actually do for this. So now I don't think there's anything else. So I'll, I'll do another video because I have still a lot of time. I'll check now. Do I have a lot of time left? Uh, Vanj, are you doing anything?
Oh,
Uh,
process.
okay.
What I should show.
One thing I want to actually tell, and this is like,
What is the project's name? What is
uh,
the project's name?
you can name it anything you want. One thing really want to tell, if you want to do comments and if you actually have learned well, so you can put comments in. So like, okay. I'm not doing the CSS comments, but for comments in HTML, you just do this. So and then
I
you put
told a name.
okay.
Now,
So first you do the starting angle bracket and then exclamation mark, like this one. And except for doctor HTML, you don't need to put that. You need to put two dashes. Oh well, it auto completed it for me. Oh, but I don't think that's gonna happen for you. And then you just type in anything you want. Hello world comment. Okay, and I save it. And then sorry. And then I come here. See?
Still I can't get the blue. Like you got that blue while making the while making the project. I'm not getting like that. Like there are hyperlinks.
Okay. What did you type in the A tag because that's how it does it? Okay, but now if I reload this page, there would be nothing wrong, nothing here saying hello world comment because it is of course a comment. So this is a comment. See, it's in green. So now, okay, thank you everyone, and hope once you have also, I hope once you have also learned a bit. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording, and bye bye everyone, and be sure to like and subscribe.